Parrotfish are a fascinating and vital group of fish found in coral reefs around the world. They're named for their distinctive, fused teeth that form a beak-like structure resembling a parrot's beak, and their often vibrant, colorful patterns. Detailed about parrotfish: characteristics and appearance. Beak-like teeth. Their most notable feature is their strong, fused teeth, which are harder than many metals. They use this beak to scrape algae and bite off pieces of coral. Pharyngeal teeth. In addition to their beak, they have a second set of molar-like teeth in their throat, pharyngeal teeth, that help grind down the coral and algae they consume. Coloration. Parrotfish are incredibly diverse in color, displaying variations of red, green, blue, yellow, gray, brown, and black. Their colors can change significantly throughout their lives, often depending on their age and sex. Males and females of the same species often look quite different. Size. They range from less than a foot to up to 4 feet, 0.3 to 1.2 meters in length. The largest species, the green humphead parrotfish, can reach up to 1.3 meters long and weigh up to 46 kilograms. Scales. They have large, thick scales that can be strong enough to resist a spear in some species. Swimming style. Like wrasses, their relatives, parrotfish swim by rowing themselves along with their pectoral or side fins. Habitat and behavior. Coral reefs. Parrotfish are primarily found in shallow, tropical waters, predominantly in coral reefs, but can also inhabit rocky coasts and seagrass beds. Diurnal. They are active during the day, grazing almost constantly. Nocturnal habits. At night, they seek refuge in crevices or burrows in the sand. Some species even secrete a transparent mucus cocoon around themselves, which is believed to mask their scent from predators like sharks and moray eels and protect them from parasites. Diet and ecological role. Herbivores. The majority of parrotfish are herbivores, feeding mainly on algae that grows on coral and reef surfaces. Coral consumption. To get to the algae, they bite off pieces of stony coral. It's not the coral skeleton itself that provides nourishment, but rather the coral polyps, the soft-bodied organisms that cover the skeleton, and the symbiotic algae, zooxanthellae, living within them, as well as other microbes and bacteria. Sand production. One of their most significant ecological roles is creating sand. The ingested coral material is ground up by their pharyngeal teeth and passes through their digestive system, eventually expelled as fine white coral sand. A single parrotfish can produce a significant amount of sand per year, up to 90 kilograms or even 1,000 pounds for a large one. This process contributes significantly to the formation of sandy beaches and lagoons. Algae control. By continuously grazing on algae, parrotfish prevent it from overgrowing and smothering corals. This cleaning function is crucial for the health and growth of coral reefs, allowing new corals to colonize and thrive. They can even play a role in helping bleached coral recover by removing the algae that inhibits new coral growth. Reproduction. Sex change, protogynous hermaphroditism. Many parrotfish species are gender fluid. They are typically born female and can change sex to male as they grow older. This process is often accompanied by dramatic color changes. Mating systems. They often exhibit polygynous mating systems, where one large, brightly colored male defends a harem of smaller, duller females. Secondary males may pair with a single female, while primary males can mate in groups with several females. Spawning. Reproduction occurs through external fertilization, with females releasing thousands of eggs and males releasing sperm into the water. Spawning. Some species aggregate in specific areas, often on outer reef slopes or in channels for large spawning events. Larval stage. Fertilized eggs hatch into tiny, about 1 millimeter long, larval forms that drift in the sea for an unknown period before settling on coral reefs. Parental care. Parrotfish provide no parental care for their offspring. Lifespan. The maximum lifespan of parrotfish can be up to 20 years, though many live 5 years or less. Conservation status. Globally, most parrotfish species are not considered at high risk of extinction. However, regional populations, particularly large-bodied and long-lived species like the greenback parrotfish, endangered, and the bumphead parrotfish, vulnerable, face heightened risks due to intense fishing pressure and coral reef habitat destruction. They are commercially important fisheries in some areas and also contribute to tourism as a popular site for divers. Conservation efforts often include marine reserves, fisheries restrictions, like banning night spearfishing or fishing during spawning aggregations, minimum size limits, and limits on fishing gear. In summary, parrotfish are not just beautiful residents of coral reefs, they are essential ecosystem engineers, playing a critical role in maintaining the balance and health of these vital marine environments through their grazing habits and sand production.